everybody, welcome to my channel Creating with Love Cooking. I want to try a new recipe that comes straight out of this little Amish cookbook called Seasoned with Love. Appropriate title, right? Alright, so we're going to do brownies from scratch the Amish way. So let's get started with this. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and read the links below, my other channels in the links. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to need half a cup of melted butter, 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, 4 eggs, a half of a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of sugar. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then a cup of all-purpose flour. And then I am going to add in chocolate morsels, a half a bag of those. Add eggs and salt. So, I gotta get the vanilla, guys. I'll be right back. Here's your vanilla. All right. I honestly want to put the eggs in first. We've got to add some salt in there, but we've got to take 12 tablespoons of this chocolate, which I'm going to make them level somehow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we need the salt and the butter. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We need to incorporate this all together along with the butter. So we're just going to mix this up, and then we've got to add the sugar and vanilla. Let me get this all mixed up. That's a lot of powder for this, huh? Smells good already, right? I'm going to try and pour it without losing it. 1. That's a lot of sugar. 2. The vanilla is 1 tablespoon or a teaspoon. Now we need to incorporate this. So that's what we're going to do. I didn't expect to have to use butter, but that's good. We'll see how this one tastes. And then 1 cup of flour. Walnuts optional, but I'm going to put the baking chips in there instead. So that is our batter right here. Doesn't that look delicious? And I'll bet you it tastes better than a box batter. So I'm going to add half of the bag in there. Keep the other bag for another recipe, or the other half of bag. So I have a greased 9 by 13 pan, and we're just going to pour this right in. So I kind of want to get everything in there. So I'm going to put it in the oven now. Alright, so now we're going to put it in the oven at 360 for me, for 25 to 30 minutes. Ready, set, go. I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay. And we'll see you soon when it comes out. Alright, so the brownies are ready, and I'm going to take them out of the oven. Shot of it. Look how beautiful those are. So they're too hot right now to handle. So we will be back in an hour, but probably a second to you. All right, so you go first.
Okay.
How's the consistency when you cut it?
That's good. Try it. I like it.
So these seem to be ooey gooey on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Let it go. And for a gluten-free flour, this came out excellent.
Tastes like a regular flour. Pretty good.
Really good. Unlike the cake boxes, they really have a gritty taste to them. This flour is not gritty at all, even though it's rice flour. It's a really good treat if you want to make your family something from scratch that is chocolatey and yummy. So you can use chocolate bars, chocolate bacon bars, which would probably make it a lot better. But I used chocolate powder because I did not have the bacon bars. Pretty good recipe. Just follow along with me when you go. I'm not sure if I'm going to write this in because it's not my recipe. I only tweaked it just a bit. Very good. I hope you really have a great day, great week, whatever. We pray for blessings for you and for healing from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. And remember, Jesus is the only way. God bless each and every one of you, and keep creating while you're cooking.
Kitchen's my happy place, starting up with a smile on my face. Every day's a brand new taste. Kitchen's my happy place, kitchen's where I find my grace.